So you bought a programming kit and now you're probably wondering, where do I start? So I will show you. So these are the two things that you need to plug into the car. This goes to the laptop. So this guy here. Okay, what am I doing? All right, so first things first, get your laptop open. Go to EcuTek.com/tuner support. Then download. Oh God. And then get the app downloader. This is very important. Once you get that, you will have this right here. So plugs in, it's like a USB. And then you will open the app downloader. These things, don't worry about this. That's something that the tuner will take care of. But basically you're gonna go hit download now. And then what that will give you is this up here, Pro ECU. And this is the program that you will use to reflash your car, and you will get tunes via email. So you're gonna open whatever the attachment is in the email, open that software, and then I will show you the rest of the steps here in a second. Okay, I hopped in my daily to show you exactly what to click and how to click it. So you're going to get your actual cable and everything, plug it in, turn the car on, and then have the laptop on with this guy here. So now once again, tools, and then detect vehicle, program ECU, I just enter, and now you're at this screen. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is hit query ECU. This will give you this right here. And that tells your tuner what ECU it is. You give him this information, he makes a base file, emails you the base file, and then after you get the base file, you will then hit program ECU. After that, it'll program, tell you to key off and key back on, blah blah blah, say it's completed. And after that, you've done your first flash. And then after that, it's just taking data, emailing it to the tuner, and then getting your revisions and reflashing them. And then depending on the tuner, I average maybe 7 to 10 attempts before it's the final revision. After that, we say, okay, it's good to go. The data looks right. And then that's how you basically do a remote tune. But remote tuning, you need this. If you're in-person tuning, you need nothing. You just need your car, and then you have to pay for a license and a tuner's time. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully that's short and sweet and simple and clears up any confusion anyone may have. Okay, bye.